Hey, it's Ray the Video Guy here, and if you work with local businesses helping them to get more leads and sales, then you probably already know that dentists can be one of the best clients that you can have. But in order to work with dentists, you need to have a quality product that will help them to get more leads and sales online. That's why we've put together the Instant Spokesperson Dental Marketing Video Pack. This is a collection of videos that cover a wide variety of dental niches that you can sell to local dentists for $500, $600, $700 a pop and do it over and over again. This is going to help you to grow your business with dentists by providing them with a quality product that's going to give them a great return on investment. Now, if this sounds good to you, then scroll down this page. You can check out the samples of the videos and some of the other goodies that we've added to this package to help you be successful in working with dentists. And once you're ready, simply click the button down below and we'll see you on the inside.